Warren Buffett is well known for his insightful perspectives on investing, and one of his most famous quotes is, "You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with the 160 IQ beats the guy with 130 IQ." This statement resonates with many because it suggests that extraordinary intelligence isn't a prerequisite for investment success. Instead, Buffett emphasizes qualities like discipline, patience, and sound judgment. For most people, this message feels reassuring, as it makes the world of investing seem more approachable and less intimidating. It encourages individuals to believe that with the right mindset and habits, they too can make wise financial decisions. The accessibility of Buffett's advice has helped demystify investing for countless newcomers. Warren Buffett's quote is often taken at face value, celebrated as sage advice for investors and business leaders alike. However, it's worth questioning whether this surface meaning truly captures the complexities of decision-making. The popular interpretation tends to encourage unwavering confidence and bold action, but this can be misleading. In fact, blindly following such advice may lead to reckless choices or an underestimation of risk. By accepting the quote without scrutiny, individuals might ignore the nuances and context that are essential for sound judgment. It's important to recognize that what sounds like wisdom can sometimes oversimplify reality, and relying on it too heavily could even be dangerous. Throughout history, even the brightest minds have faced significant challenges in the world of investing. Sir Isaac Newton, renowned for his scientific genius, famously lost a fortune during the South Sea Bubble, admitting that he could calculate the motions of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Centuries later, long-term capital management, a hedge fund led by Nobel Prize-winning economists, collapsed spectacularly despite its team's exceptional intellect. These examples illustrate that intelligence alone is not enough to ensure success in investing. Factors such as market psychology, risk management, and unpredictable events play crucial roles that even the most brilliant individuals can overlook. Warren Buffett is renowned for his clear and straightforward advice on investing and personal finance. However, despite his efforts to communicate simple principles, there often exists a significant gap between what Buffett intends to convey and what the public actually understands. Many people interpret his words through their own biases or focus on surface-level takeaways, missing the deeper lessons he aims to share. This disconnect can lead to widespread misconceptions about his strategies and philosophy. In this section, we will explore the nature of this gap, examining why Buffett's true message is frequently misunderstood. By investigating this phenomenon, we set the stage for a deeper look into the real meaning behind Buffett's advice and how it can be more accurately interpreted. Take a moment to consider your own journey with investing. Have you ever felt too knowledgeable, or perhaps not knowledgeable enough, to confidently make financial decisions? These feelings are more common than you might think, and they can shape the way you approach opportunities and risks. Reflecting on your personal mindset can reveal valuable insights about your relationship with money and investing. By acknowledging these thoughts, you open the door to growth and learning. How have your perceptions influenced your choices in the past? Engaging with these questions can help you become more self-aware and intentional in your financial decisions moving forward. Warren Buffett's famous remark about not needing to be a rocket scientist to succeed in investing is often misunderstood. Many interpret his words as suggesting that investing is simple or requires little effort. However, Buffett's intent was to highlight that extraordinary intelligence is not a prerequisite for sound investment decisions. The misinterpretation overlooks the discipline, patience, and careful analysis that successful investing demands. Buffett himself emphasizes the importance of emotional stability and a long-term perspective, qualities that go far beyond mere intellectual ability. By equating his quote with ease, people risk underestimating the complexities and challenges inherent in the investment process. This widespread misconception can lead to unrealistic expectations and poor financial choices. Believing in the myth that investing is effortless can foster a dangerous sense of complacency among investors. This misconception often leads individuals to underestimate the amount of research, discipline, and ongoing attention that successful investing demands. As a result, some may become overconfident, assuming that market gains will come easily without thoughtful analysis or preparation. Such arrogance can cause investors to ignore risks, overlook important details, and neglect the need for continuous learning. Ultimately, this lack of diligence increases the likelihood of poor decision-making and financial losses. Recognizing the true effort required is essential for developing sound investment habits and achieving long-term success. Benjamin Graham famously remarked, "Investing is simple, but not easy." This distinction highlights an important concept in the world of finance. Simplicity refers to the straightforward principles that underpin successful investing, such as buying undervalued assets and holding them for the long term. The rules themselves are not complicated and can be understood by most people. However, ease relates to the practical challenges of applying these principles consistently. Emotional factors like fear and greed, market volatility, and the pressure to follow the crowd often make it difficult to stick to a simple strategy. In essence, while the path to successful investing may be clear, walking that path requires discipline and resilience. Warren Buffett's true message is often misunderstood. Rather than offering a free pass to sidestep hard work, he encourages us to shift our attention towards something even more vital. Buffett believes that while diligence is important, it's not the sole ingredient for success. He emphasizes the significance of qualities like integrity, sound judgment, and the ability to think independently. By redirecting our focus, Buffett suggests that cultivating these traits can have a far greater impact than simply working harder. Ultimately, his advice is about prioritizing what truly matters in the pursuit of lasting achievement. Warren Buffett's approach to investing reveals a surprising insight. While many assume that intelligence is the key to financial success, Buffett places a greater emphasis on temperament. He believes that the ability to remain calm, rational, and disciplined during market fluctuations is far more important than raw intellect. This emotional steadiness allows investors to make sound decisions, resist impulsive reactions, and stay committed to long-term strategies. In Buffett's view, temperament is the true variable that separates successful investors from the rest. By mastering one's emotions, individuals can navigate uncertainty and capitalize on opportunities that others might overlook. While intelligence is often seen as an asset, having a high IQ can sometimes be a disadvantage in investing. Highly intelligent individuals may be tempted to overanalyze market data, creating complex strategies that can cloud judgment and lead to unnecessary risks. Their desire for intellectual stimulation might drive them to seek excitement, rather than sticking to proven, straightforward investment principles. This tendency to complicate decisions can result in frequent trading or chasing trends, which may undermine long-term returns. In contrast, successful investing often requires patience, discipline, and the ability to keep things simple. Recognizing these pitfalls is crucial for intelligent investors who want to avoid letting their strengths become weaknesses. Sir Isaac Newton, renowned for his groundbreaking contributions to science and mathematics, also became a cautionary figure in financial history. During the South Sea bubble of the early 18th century, Newton initially invested and profited handsomely. However, swept up by the market mania and emotional excitement, he re-entered the market at its peak, ultimately suffering significant losses. Newton later lamented that he could calculate the motions of the heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. His experience serves as a powerful reminder that even the most brilliant minds are vulnerable to emotional impulses, especially when collective enthusiasm distorts rational judgment in financial markets. Long-term capital management was a hedge fund founded in the 1990s, boasting a team that included Nobel Prize-winning economists. Their sophisticated mathematical models promised to minimize risk and maximize returns through complex trading strategies. However, these intellectual frameworks underestimated the unpredictable nature of financial markets and the role of human emotion in decision-making. When market conditions shifted unexpectedly in 1998, the fund's managers failed to adapt, clinging to their models despite mounting losses. Their lack of emotional discipline led to risky bets and ultimately catastrophic losses, threatening the stability of global financial institutions. The collapse of long-term capital management serves as a powerful reminder that even the most brilliant minds are vulnerable without the ability to manage fear, greed, and uncertainty. Buffett's warning is specifically aimed at intellectuals, highlighting a common pitfall among highly intelligent individuals. He cautions that intelligence alone does not guarantee sound judgment, especially when emotions come into play. Often, those with sharp minds may find their reasoning clouded by feelings such as fear, greed, or overconfidence. Instead of leveraging their intellect for rational decision-making, they risk allowing emotions to override logic. Buffett underscores the importance of maintaining objectivity and discipline, reminding us that true wisdom lies in controlling our emotional impulses. His message serves as a reminder that the greatest minds are not immune to emotional bias, and that self-awareness is crucial for making thoughtful choices. There are two important lessons to remember when it comes to investing. First, the idea that investing is easy is a myth. While it may seem straightforward, successful investing requires discipline, patience, and the ability to manage emotions. Second, temperament often outweighs intellect in determining investment success. It's not just about being smart or knowing the numbers. It's about staying calm during market swings and making rational decisions when others might panic. Understanding these truths can help investors avoid common pitfalls and build long-term financial stability. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have long emphasized the importance of understanding and respecting one's circle of competence. This concept refers to focusing on areas where your knowledge and expertise are strongest and avoiding ventures outside of those boundaries. Arrogance and overconfidence can tempt individuals to stray beyond their circle, often leading to costly mistakes and poor decisions. Buffett and Munger caution that acknowledging what you don't know is just as vital as recognizing what you do know. By staying within your circle of competence, you reduce risk and make more informed choices. Ignoring this principle can result in overestimating your abilities and underestimating challenges, ultimately jeopardizing success. High IQ investors often possess exceptional analytical skills and confidence in their decision-making. However, this confidence can sometimes lead to overestimating their abilities and ignoring market signals, resulting in riskier choices. In contrast, moderate IQ investors may approach investing with greater caution and openness to feedback. Their humility and self-awareness enable them to recognize their limitations, seek advice, and adapt to changing circumstances. This willingness to learn and adjust can help them avoid costly mistakes and capitalize on opportunities. Ultimately, investors who combine intelligence with humility tend to make more balanced decisions and achieve better long-term outcomes. Here lies the central revelation. The greatest challenge is not always found in complex systems or intricate strategies. Instead, it often emerges when simplicity is mistaken for ease. Many overlook the subtle difficulties that arise from their own reactions and emotions. True mastery is not just about understanding external factors, but about recognizing and managing one's own temperament. This insight shifts the focus inward, highlighting that self-control and discipline are essential, even when the path appears straightforward. The real risk is underestimating these internal hurdles, which can be far more formidable than any external complexity. In today's financial landscape, investors are often enticed by sophisticated products and speculative opportunities that promise high returns. These offerings can be difficult to understand and may operate outside the realm of most people's expertise. Navigating such complexity without a solid grasp of the underlying risks can lead to costly mistakes. It's important to recognize the limits of one's own knowledge and avoid venturing into areas that feel unfamiliar or opaque. By sticking to investments within your circle of competence, you can make more informed decisions and safeguard your financial well-being. Remember, simplicity and clarity often provide a stronger foundation for long-term success than chasing after the latest trends. The true sources of wealth in investing go far beyond mere financial gains. Safety, peace of mind, and ease are the real treasures, each rooted in a solid foundation of understanding, patience, and emotional discipline. When investors take the time to truly comprehend their strategies and the markets, they are better equipped to make informed decisions. Patience allows them to weather market fluctuations without succumbing to impulsive reactions. Emotional discipline helps maintain focus and prevents costly mistakes driven by fear or greed. Together, these qualities create an environment where wealth can grow steadily and securely, providing lasting confidence and tranquility throughout the investment journey. Warren Buffett's enduring wisdom reminds us that true success in investing is not reserved for those with extraordinary intelligence. Instead, it is achieved through rational decision-making and steadfast patience. Buffett emphasizes that the ability to remain calm and logical, especially during turbulent times, is far more valuable than raw intellect. By focusing on long-term goals and resisting impulsive reactions, investors can navigate the complexities of the market more effectively. Ultimately, it is this disciplined approach that sets successful investors apart, proving that temperament often outweighs technical brilliance. As you consider your own approach to investing, take a moment to reflect on the personal rules and principles that guide your decisions. Rationality and thoughtful analysis are key to navigating the complexities of financial markets. By sharing experiences and learning together, we strengthen our understanding and build a supportive community. If there are topics or questions you'd like to explore in future discussions, your input is always welcome. Together, we can continue to grow and adapt, making informed choices that benefit everyone. Remember, investing is not just about numbers, it's about learning, discipline, and collective wisdom.